Now I realize that the two subjects I seem to talk about is marketing and connecting with people and networking. With marketing, everything is marketing and marketing is everything. You can have the world's greatest product, and you also better have the world's greatest product before you go into marketing. No one is going to notice you if you don't stand out in marketing, if you're not aggressive about your marketing. This is so important. It's how you're going to make your money. It's how you're going to get your sales. You cannot dismiss it. You need to put a lot of conscious effort into it. Now, once you establish your colors, your logo is important. And that's going to set the theme for your website and your social media and all your online marketing. There are so many websites out there that do offer logo design for under $100. So at this point, we've talked about you doing your own marketing plan, and that's going to save you maybe $4,000 or more. You're incorporating yourself, and that's going to cost you between $50 and $150. You can save money on your logo. It doesn't mean you're not going to get a great logo. It means you're going to have more money to use down the road. Doing one of the logo websites, you have lots of options. You can tell them what you do want and what you do not want. And they can design all your letterhead, if anybody would use letterhead. But you know, even in your emails, in your correspondence, that is marketing. Brand yourself in everything you send. Just not your name at the bottom with your address and your website, but your actual logo, your colors. Be creative and innovative. Just do it.